If you've been using the viral COSRX Snail Mucin and feel like it's not working, or worse, your skin got irritated, you might actually be using it wrong. So on today's video, I'm breaking it down to what it is, the biggest do's and don'ts, who should avoid it, and the best way to apply it for that hydrated glass skin look. So first, what even is snail mucin? So the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Essence contains 96% snail secretion filtrate. I know it sounds weird, but snail mucin is actually known for helping hydrate the skin, calm irritation, and support the skin barrier. And the reason it's so popular in Korean skincare is because snail mucin naturally contain ingredients that help protect and repair the skin. It's packed with glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, peptides, allantoin, minerals, and soothing compounds. Basically, snails produce this mucus to protect themselves while crawling on rough surfaces. And surprisingly, it works really well for skincare too. So let's talk about the ingredients and what they actually do. So glycoproteins help support skin repair, which is why a lot of people love snail mucin after acne breakouts or irritation. Hyaluronic acid helps pull water into the skin, giving that plump, juicy, hydrated glow. And that is exactly why applying snail mucin on damp skin matters. There's also allantoin, which helps calm redness and irritation. It also contains copper peptides and minerals that support skin recovery, which is why some people notice their skin heals faster over time. And panthenol, also known as vitamin B5, that helps strengthen the skin barrier and reduce dryness. One thing I personally like about this product is that the formulation is actually really simple. Compared to a lot of viral skincare products, this one doesn't contain strong exfoliating acids, it doesn't contain heavy fragrance or intense actives. So for many people with sensitive skin, it feels calming and hydrating without being too harsh. This product is especially popular for dehydrated skin, damaged skin barriers, post-acne marks, redness, dull texture, and anyone wanting that glass skin and hydration. But that does not mean it works for everyone. So please patch test first, especially if you have sensitive or reactive skin. Also, this is very important. If you have a dust mite allergy or a snail allergy, some people can experience itching, tiny bumps, redness, or irritation. So if you don't have those allergies and you pass the patch testing period, let's talk about the correct way to use it. Because this is where a lot of people mess up. One of the biggest mistakes in applying snail mucin is applying it on completely dry skin. Snail mucin is a humectant, meaning it helps attract and hold water in the skin. So it works best on slightly damp skin. So if you want to incorporate this in your routine, here's the order I recommend. So cleanser first, make sure that your face is clean. And then after that, use a toner or a facial mist. So again, you have to make sure that your skin is still damp. And then quickly apply your snail mucin while your skin is still slightly damp. Personally use about 1 to 2 pumps and gently pat it into the skin instead of aggressively rubbing it. And always follow it with a moisturizer to lock everything in. Because when you apply it without a moisturizer after, sometimes it can feel sticky or even dehydrating. So make sure that you have hydration before and also after. A simple rule that makes incorporating snail mucin easy is to think of snail mucin as a hydration plus healing layer, not an active treatment that needs careful mixing. So it goes after actives, before moisturizer, and works best in simple routines. Now for the do's and don'ts. Do apply it on damp skin, seal it with a moisturizer, patch test before using, and use it consistently because results are not overnight. And wear sunscreen during the day, especially if you're targeting post acne marks. Now for the don'ts. Don't use half the bottle at once because more products does not mean better results. And don't expect this to magically cure acne overnight because snail mucin is more about hydration and skin repair. And again, avoid this completely if you have snail mucin or dust mite allergy. So who do I think would love this product? I think if your skin feels dehydrated, irritated, or you're dealing with post acne redness, this can honestly make your skin look healthier and more hydrated over time. But if your skin hates rich, humectant texture, or you're allergic to snail mucin, skip this one completely. Also, I don't think this will be for you if you dislike heavy layers. Also, for oily skin types that hate sticky texture or people expecting it to work like an acne treatment. And that's everything you need to know about this COSRX Snail Mucin Essence. Let me know in the comments below, did this product work for your skin or did it break you out? Because I swear this product is either someone's holy grail or their worst enemy. And if you want to know more about skincare products for hydration and glass skin, watch this videos next. Thank you so much else again for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!